Hello friends, this project is automatic fan speed controller that control the speed of electric fan according to the requirement. This project is very compact in size. Few components we have used. It can be implemented for the several applications including air conditioner, water heater, snow melter and oven. Now we will see component whatever we have used. Now we are going to make temperature control fan. First we will upload the coding in Arduino. Now this is the source code for the temperature control fan. Now we are going to upload source code in Arduino board. First we will go in tool and we will select the board Arduino Uno and also select COM port. From here we can upload the code. You can see code is uploading. Now we are going to make connection according to the coding.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We are going to provide heat using soldering iron on LM35 sensor, that is known as temperature sensor. As the temperature increasing and speed of the fan will also increase. Now you can see fan is working. Speed of the fan also increasing. We have used PWM technique. Speed of fan varied according to duty cycle of PWM. So guys, if you like our video, please like us, subscribe us and share our video.